Finally, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is officially out in the wild, and we just got the first real unboxing. The wait is finally over. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has been officially unboxed, giving us the very first real-world look at the device ahead of the big launch coverage. A Twitter user named Sahil shared multiple posts revealing that he has the Galaxy S26 Ultra in hand. In his first post, he confirmed that he received the device in Dubai. The post also clearly shows the retail box of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. In his second post, he uploaded 2 additional photos featuring the device alongside the box, giving us a closer look at the packaging and overall presentation. In the third post, he wrote, "Time to say bye-bye to my Samsung S25 Ultra, officially switching to the new model." In that post, we can also see the Galaxy S26 Ultra setup screen, confirming that the phone is fully functional. Shortly after, he shared what can be called the first proper official look, including photos of the device in hand and even a selfie. He also uploaded a screenshot confirming the phone's color as white, along with model description details, model number information, and other device specifics. That's not all. Additionally, he uploaded a video demonstrating how the new privacy display works on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, showing its real-life functionality. In another clip, he confirmed an important detail: the S Pen on the Galaxy S26 Ultra does not support Bluetooth this time. He also posted a side-by-side comparison featuring the Galaxy S26 Ultra, iPhone 17 Pro Max, Vivo X300 Pro, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, giving us a better perspective on size and design differences. That's all for this update. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S26 Ultra so far? Let me know in the comments section, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.